Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. The wife wants a new shower head, so the wife gets a new shower head. I, for some reason, went through my entire adult life without ever replacing one. I watched a few videos and I think I just need Teflon tape, and this should be pretty easy. Let's unbox it and read the instructions. There was a little bit of assembly that I needed to do. I placed Teflon tape at here and here where there was threading. I also saw this and thought it was a good idea to do electrical tape. So when we are hand tightening and it's still leaking, we could use those two to help get it a little bit tighter without scratching the metal. The old Teflon tape was a little hard to remove, not too bad. There was a little bit of leaking here, so I did have to use the pliers to help tighten a little bit more. And bathroom update, we're using these little trays. This adhesive is supposed to be pretty strong. You can kind of tell which side is mine and which side is my wife's. The shower curtain is holding up pretty good. Video number 75 done.